In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to redeem a gift card on Etsy. Whether you've just received a gift card from a friend or you bought one for yourself, redeeming it on Etsy is quick and straightforward. I'll walk you through each step so you can turn that gift card into something you really love. First, open your web browser and go to the Etsy Marketplace homepage. You can do this by typing the Etsy website address into your browser's address bar and pressing enter. Make sure you're connected to the internet, and if you already have an Etsy account, it's a good idea to log in before you start. This helps ensure the gift card is correctly linked to your account balance. Once you're on the Etsy homepage, take a moment to look toward the top or bottom of the page for navigation options related to gift cards. You're looking for the section labeled Gift Cards. Go ahead and click on Gift Cards. This will take you to a dedicated page where you can manage everything related to Etsy gift cards, including buying new ones and redeeming one you already have. On the gift cards page, look for a link or text that says Redeem a gift card. This is usually placed near the information about using or managing gift cards. Click on that Redeem a gift card link. It will open the redemption page, which is specifically designed for entering your gift card details. Now you should see a field where you can type in your gift card code. Carefully click into the code field to activate it. Take your time entering the code exactly as it appears on your physical or digital gift card. Be sure to include all characters and double check for any common mistakes, like mixing up letters and numbers. If you're copying and pasting from an email, make sure you don't accidentally include any extra spaces. Once you're confident the code is correct, look for the button labeled Redeem. Click on Redeem to submit your gift card code. Etsy will process it, and if everything is entered correctly, the value of your gift card will be added to your Etsy account balance. You can then use that balance the next time you check out, and it will be applied to eligible purchases automatically or as a payment option. That's all there is to it. You've successfully redeemed your Etsy gift card, and you're ready to start shopping.